In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to forms in GoHighLevel. Whether you're enhancing your forms for better engagement or simply want to add a visual element, this tutorial will guide you through each step. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to your GoHighLevel dashboard. When you open GoHighLevel in your browser, you should see a dashboard that's your control center for everything. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the option labeled Sites on the side panel. This is where you can manage all your funnels and websites, and today it's where we will start our journey to adding images. Clicking on Sites will lead you to another section where you'll find the Forms tab. This is your go-to place to create and manage forms, so give that a click as well. At this stage, you're in the heart of where all your form-related activities happen. If you haven't created any forms yet, you'll see an option to start a new one. Otherwise, you can choose an existing form that you want to modify by adding an image. Now you're in the Form Builder area, a vital tool for customizing your forms to suit your branding and needs. Keep an eye out for an image option on the panel and click it. This is where the real fun begins as we incorporate visual elements into your form. GoHighLevel makes this process incredibly intuitive. After clicking on Image, you'll see an option that says Upload. This is where you can upload an image from your computer to use in your form. When you click on Upload, a window will pop up allowing you to browse through your files. Choose your image carefully. Make sure it aligns with the message or branding you want your form to convey. Once you've selected the suitable image, you'll need to click Open, which will begin the upload process. Once your image is successfully uploaded, find the Upload Image button and click on it to finalize your choice. It's important to check that the image has been placed correctly within your form, and it looks good in context with the rest of the form elements. Make adjustments if necessary, whether it's resizing the image or repositioning it for a better visual balance. Finally, after confirming that everything looks great, click on the Image option again to ensure it's been added as intended. Voila! You've now enriched your GoHighLevel form with an image. Feel free to preview your changes to see how your audience will experience it. And there you have it. You've successfully added an image to a form using GoHighLevel. Remember, adding images is a great way to make your forms more appealing, which can increase user engagement and interaction. Thanks for following along, and happy form building!